I just got a new addition to my desk today. This is Q2 Max by Keychron. I immediately love how heavy it is. And this layout is my personal favorite. It's compact and even comes with this knob that I decided to use for my volume. The fact that it doesn't need a cable is cherry on top. All you need to do is to plug in this receiver and you'll be ready to go. And hey, you gotta listen to this sound. And of course I had to transfer my novelty keys on this keyboard. I am so happy with how this is looking. Although it's a small change, I think it made a big difference.